Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V, and I am here to bring you a tutorial on how I made this crochet wig. Yes, it is a wig, and I used the hair Freetress Braid Fluffy Wand Curl in the color OT27. So if you like this hair and you want to see how I made this wig, keep on watching. Okay, so for this wig, I used a braid wig cap, a crochet needle, and a pair of scissors. The hair I'm using for this wig is Freetress Braid Fluffy Wand Curl in the color OT27. So I've placed my wig cap on my dome head to begin the installation. Here's what the hair looks like. There are 2 bundles in each pack. Now for each individual piece of hair, I separated it into 3 pieces. Now I didn't show it here, but it kind of helps to rub your hands down the hair to separate it at the end so that it comes apart a lot easier. Now, if you happen to do it incorrectly, like I did here, it makes the hair a lot more frizzy. But you can recover the hair by just rubbing your hands down the shaft of the hair to get the curl pattern back, as you see here. Now, doing the 3-piece separation did not remain standard. I think I only separated into 3 for like the first 2 rows, and then I switched to separating it into 4 pieces. And then by the time I got to the front of the wig cap, I started separating it into 5 pieces. So I'm going to begin crocheting the back middle section, and then I'll move to the sides, and then I'll move to the front section. I tried not to crochet the pieces so close together in the back so that it wouldn't become so bulky so fast. So I tried to use about a finger width space between each piece. So now I have finished the back section and I have used 1 pack of hair so far, and it is pretty full. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the side of the hair and just kind of clip the hair out of the way. So now both sides are installed along with the back, and this hair is looking pretty big and full. Look at this bounce. Yeah, she's gonna give me all my life. I have now used 2 packs of hair so far. So now I have installed all of the hair for this wig, and look at her. She is looking big and pretty. Yes. So after I finished, these 3 strands are what I had left from the 3rd pack of hair. Hey everybody. Okay, so I'm back. I have my face done and I am ready to, look at this. Big hair, y'all. Look at this. So I am on my way to the Beyonce concert and I am super excited. Oh my God, I can't wait. I am like the biggest Beyonce fan. So I wanted some big hair for this concert. So we gonna see what she is looking like. And then gotta cut her up. And then get dressed. And then get out the door. Alright, so here goes nothing. Alright, let's see. I don't even know what the front. Okay, this is the front. Got it. she looking? Oh, that's a lot of hair. Okay, I can't even see myself. Woo, yo. Okay, I can't even see. Okay, I probably should have cut this on the witchamajig, but I'm just gonna get to chopping and see what we working with. I can't see y'all. I should probably cut this first. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's cut this first. Okay, I can see a little bit. All right, so let me finish cutting. Ooh, it's a lot of hair. Sorry I got turned. My mirror is over here, y'all, because I can't see in front of me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish cutting her, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final result, because this might take a little long, and I don't want to keep turning to the side in my mirror. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I'm back, and this is what she's looking like. I look like I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, B. Come on, B. I love it. I'm not used to big hair like this, but I'm loving it. Give you a little twirl. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you like this style, and if you do, come on, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that we can become friends, we can become family, and I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.